Another gorgeous day here in Ouray, not a bad place to grab a brew and take in these mountain views. I've got an update from the dealer on the cause of my Jeep's alternator failure. I'll share that in the recording I made during a beautiful river walk here in Ouray this morning. But I'm also still chasing the mystery of that cabin across the gorge. No roads, no bridges, just a car, and a story no one can explain. I think I may have found a lead. The Sutton Mine Trail climbs up the mountainside to a town overlook. It doesn't actually reach the mine itself. The visitor center said you're on your own if you try to continue. But on the map, it looks like our best chance yet at getting closer to this cabin. Hello, everyone. So today's Tuesday. I did follow up with my service advisor, and he said that they did take a look at it yesterday, and they've determined that the PCM and the alternator needs to be replaced. I did question him about the PCM because I didn't see any error codes or indicator lights come out. I did point out that the bearing or the pulley seemed to have moved a half an inch towards the Jeep, and he said that actually the PCM is what had caused the failure on the alternator. I asked him about ETA. He said it'll be a few days. So after that, I did look up where the nearest part distribution centers were, and there's one in Denver. And from what I understand, it shouldn't take more than a day if they have the parts, which I can't imagine Denver not having the parts. So I'll call him back tomorrow and ask him about that, and hopefully they can have it fixed by Thursday. I have an appointment on Thursday. Actually, my initial appointment was on Thursday. So I'll mention Denver and ask him about it. In the meantime, I've been checking out things in town. I'm doing the river walk here today. There's also an RV park here by the riverside. I think it's called the RV Riverside Park. And they have cabins as well. And right by the river and mountains. So nice location, not too far from town. I would say about a maybe 5-10 minute walk to the hot springs, main hot springs, and maybe 15-20 minute walk to the downtown area. So again, worst places to be stuck. I'll touch base with you guys.